Well, hello, everybody. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, wonderful day here in the upstate of South Carolina. Looking out the window here, we see nice, bright blue, sunny skies. Not a cloud, not a chemtrail, nothing in the sky, but just a little bit of haze because it is humid. Because it is the upstate of South Carolina. Nothing like back in Illinois and Indiana. So don't ever take my statement that it's humid here to be a complaint, because I'd much rather be here and to be humid for a few hours in the early afternoon than for months on end, like in the cornfields of Illinois and Indiana. So don't take that as a complaint. It's just a weather report, as some of you have told me you look forward to hearing. It is absolutely gorgeous. But one of the problems with having equipment that maintain your office space, like an HVAC system, is sometimes they break when they're old enough and they're not maintained, or even if they are maintained, sometimes parts of them break and they just don't work. Here at the AC, the only warning we had is it doesn't work. They come in, it's 80 degrees plus inside. It's 90 plus outside, so it's still a little bit cooler, but it's just as humid and not fun at all. So you see my wife in my head. That's what's going on, is the humidity here is atrocious. So what do you do when parts break in a leased building? You call the landlord. So I sent out my pain message to the brain, which is David, and said, hey, something's wrong with the AC. So that was my pain message, or my symptom message, or my, hey, brain, something's going on with the body message. So he comes in and checks it out, flips a few breakers to do some of the things that he could do himself, kind of like when we get the sniffles. We rest and drink tea and maybe some, lots of hot foods like chicken soup, whatever the remedies are for that. So he does that. He says, you know what, give it a little bit of time, and I'm going to go on some other things, and then if it's still not working, we'll call in the expert to get it fixed. Now, it makes me wonder, since he knows exactly what the system is that's not working, and he knows the pain or the symptoms, which is it not working, providing coolness and dehumidification. I wonder if he's going to call a plumber, or if he's going to call a landscape expert, or if he's going to call an asphalt person, or if he's going to call a roofing expert. It would be silly to go to other professions to try to solve an HVAC issue. So I imagine, because David's a pretty smart guy, if you know anything about David, he's an extremely intelligent guy. He probably is going to call an HVAC expert, and somebody he's dealt with before, somebody he trusts. He's going to interrupt their day and say, hey, I've got a client, I've got a customer, I've got a spot in my building up here at the beautiful North Boiling Springs, East Inman, south of Lake Bowen. And we need him taken care of. He's sending me some pain messages, and we need to get the problem fixed. So I'm sure the guy's not going to come in here and just paste a number over the thermostat and saying, see, it's not 80 plus degrees anymore, it's 71 like you have it set. I'm sure he's going to go to the problem rather than the symptoms. And I'm sure he's going to go take care of the issue, whether it's an electrical issue or some sort of freon issue or compressor issue or fan issue or whatever it is. I'm sure you're going to address it. He's going to come up with a plan. He's going to fix it. And hopefully it'll be done before it gets way hot today, because right now at 12:30 it's starting to get a little toasty in here. So we're going to open up the doors, kind of alleviate some of the pressure and some of the pain of the situation. But that's not solving the problem. It's not solving the problem at all. It's just delaying the inevitable of either getting so hot we have to close down or getting the problem fixed. Sound familiar? I tried to put in the physical analogies there of us dealing with things going on in our body. Happens all around us. Our body's just a contraption that was built with intelligence to work in a certain way, and pain is part of that system. Pain is natural. Pain is good. It doesn't mean it's enjoyable. I don't like pain either. I hate it. Did a lot of lifting on Saturday. My glutes and my erector spinae are just screaming at me today, but it was good for me. The pain is good for me. It still says that there's something going on. Gotta give it some rest, more hydration, all that other fun stuff. And I'll get checked when Sam gets in here today to make sure I'm not so excited. And that's not going to change whether I'm in pain or not, but being subluxation free takes me from where I'm at, and it gives me the best possibility to get to where I want to be. So you keep those two things in mind. This is where I want to be. This is my normal. This is my objective. This is where I find myself. A lot of stuff helps you get there, but one of them has to be chiropractic care, keeping your spine free of these interferences in the nervous system. So the nervous system, which also wants to be at that high level, can help do the things to get you from where you're at to where you want to be. So anyway, Dr. Hoskins, General Gyno Chiropractic here in beautiful Boiling Springs, Inman, Lake Bowen, South Carolina. Just enjoying the day, enjoying talking to you. Hope you guys find these things useful, at least thought-provoking. We've got some stuff coming up here. Make sure you check out the website, check out the Facebook page. Of course, that's where you're at now is the Facebook page, to keep up on our schedule and know how to make an appointment. We love you all. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, and we will talk at you probably on Wednesday.